orient your signature so it's in its happy place. Then pull, snug, tight but not tearing. Check in the back, make sure everything looks the way it should, and it is. Snug tight, one tie, right over left, left over right. We'll lock it in. You don't need to do any more than that, but I like to do one more because I don't know, I'm a threesy. I'm a threesy. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't bad, right? Okay, we can take this off now. Pull these down so they're all nice and straight-a-roo. Very cute, right? And fold that over. Give it a crease. If you don't have a bone folder, you can use your thumb, or you can use the edges of your scissors or something like that, or a butter knife. Be careful you don't tear your paper though. But the bone folder generally is very kind to the paper itself. Okay, so we have that, and we are like pretty much done. I mean, other than decorating the outside and doing fun things on the inside, but we have a pocket. We have a 104-page beautiful writing journal, if you so see fit to leave it as a writing journal, or you could go ahead and decorate the bejeebers out of the sky. We also have a nice, beautiful pocket on the back. And if you have any, let's say you might want to assess, maybe some of the papers weren't aligned perfectly and you've got some that are sticking out here. See the sticky outies? Two ways to deal with that. Well, you identify the sticky outie. Here we go. Yeah. You identify the sticky outie. You open it. You introduce yourself to it and you say, are you going to live in my world? No. I will handle you with, I have my ways, and I'm going to do this to you. And you no longer stick out. There you go. Okay. Are there some others? Maybe this legal pad page. Whoops, sorry. I'm really close on you here. The legal pad page sticking out a smidge a bit. Okay. Another alternative is, let's say you don't want to do the teary outie. Maybe you want to make a pocket out of this page. So you could actually fold it over and have it be a little fold out page like that. Or you could glue down these edges and make a little pocket. But I think this one particularly, because it's a little bit chewed up on the end, I think I'm just going to remove it completely. There we go. And I'm going to assess this guy, this other big guy in the back. He's my front page, actually. I don't mind if the front and the back are a little longer than the rest. That's okay. He looks good there. And let's see. I think he is actually within the boundaries of everything. So he is okay. So there, okay, we have taken I was going to say, how many things can we make out of the shirt, right? Well, we're not done yet. Let me back up because we made a journal. Okay, we got that much done in life. We made a journal. And I still have another whole piece, the back, to make another journal if I wanted. Or I could make little matching journalettes and things like that. Little ensemble. Wouldn't that be so cute? That'd be so cute, wouldn't it? Okay, maybe we will do that with you. But let's see, for example, this could be your journal tie. Right, I know. It's like, this is so cool. Let's try and create something like that. See if this works. I'm going to take off the label. This is very soft, fuzzy material, so it's kind of cool. Maybe I don't even want to cut it apart. Maybe I want it to be like this. There. This is like a pajama journal. This is something that it's soft, it's squishy, it's a soft covered journal. And it's easy just to pop that off. It's like your bathrobe, for gosh sakes. And you can just take that with you and write your happy thoughts in your pajamas because it feels just like your pajamas. I have now dubbed this the pajama journal. Okay, so what else? This is crazy, isn't it? Okay, so I have these lovely arms, and arms give you so many possibilities. But one thing I made the other day, which it wasn't directly from an arm, but I thought, geez, why don't I use this for arms? Because you can take the arms apart and get more yardage and make little journal covers and things like that. But I thought, no, I'm going to leave these little arms intact, and let me see what I can do. Let me take my pinking shears and that's the little zigzag scissor. Can you see that? Okay. And I'm just going to, let's see, cut this off. I don't need that. And I think the pinking will help things from unraveling. I think that's one of the reasons for the pinking. But if it doesn't, it's just cute anyway. So we're just going to roll with it. Okay, so we have that. But then I thought what I could do is I could make little bags to go with my journal. Little gift bags and things like that. Maybe Happy Mail, something like that. And let's maybe make 2 bags out of this. I don't know what I'm going to put in here. I'll put something. You could put ephemera. You could put rubber stamps. You could put like postage stamp. I mean, whatever you have in your collection that you want to share with somebody else, that you could do that. And okay, so this is up inside out. But what I thought I would try a couple things. I'm going to sew across the bottom and seal it shut, and that will make a bag. So I'll be right up. You want to come with me? Okay. I know nothing is more riveting than watching me sew. Okay, so here is this, and I'm going to do a zigzag stitch again, but I'm going to do it higher up, so it's not going to be at the very bottom of the bag. I don't know why, that's just how I'm doing it. Okay, going across the bottom. This is called the world's easiest bag. Okay. Back stitch a little bit just to anchor it in. Probably should have done it at the beginning, but forgot. Okay, don't you guys forget. And okay, so okay, come on back. Okay, I have this little sack-like structure. Nothing fancy. See, that darn sewing machine can come in really, really handy if you just give it a chance. Just got to give it a chance. It's actually really cute, just like that with the blue, but I'm going to turn it inside out. And now I have a little bag. And what can you do with your little bag? Well, let's say you have a large button collection and you wanted to share some of your buttons with somebody. Wouldn't it be cute to put in a little bag? I'd probably make 2 bags out of this one because it's so big. You could actually cut it down the middle and sew the sides up, but we're just going for easy peasy here. And then, that's a weird looking bag, isn't it? Okay, but you can take some pretty lace or trim or ribbon or what have you not, and just give it a little tie. You don't even have to make it like sew it in or anything. You just put a little tie around it. That's what I did. I thought that was cute. And it's just something like that. And there you go. You are done. Isn't that cute? Okay, so let's say you're giving a journal to somebody and you have some buttons you want to add with it or something like that. Or you want to give them maybe a little bag full of starter papers or something like that. Maybe a little ephemera bag. All right, let's make another one of these. The other way I was thinking was, we seem to have like let's just even this out a little bit. We have kind of a strange top to this one. This is the wider part of the arm at the top. So I'm thinking with this one, maybe I'll make 2 bags out of this. It's gonna be a very wide bag, very wide bag. All right, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sew and I'm gonna sew and I'm gonna cut down the middle. All right, let's try that. Okay, I think I'm going to, maybe I'll straight stitch it. Okay, so I'm gonna follow the lines because they're already there. Here we go. Oh, I'm going to back up a bit. Okay. And do I have thread? No, there's no thread there. Hang on. We somehow are threadless. Okay, we will rethread this super fast because this doesn't take that long if you get it done. Okay, there we go. All right. And, oh, no. And, okay, we're through. Got so much glue on my fingers. Okay, now we're rocking. Now, same thing. Gonna sew down this line. Okay. Sewing, backing up to lock in, sewing, going all the way down. I know, probably doing everything wrong. Back it up, okay. And I think we're done there. So I guess I'll just turn it around. Yeah. So here, okay. Back it up. Okay, forward. Go. So, oh, we're stuck. How come? Okay, I don't know. It's probably too soft. Try again. Oh, it's going. Is it? Yep. Oh, sort of. Hold your breath. Do I have thread? No, I don't. That's why it's making that funny sound. Okay, back up. All right. How Not to Sew by Pam at the Paper Outpost. Oh, Lord. Okay, yeah. All because I don't edit. Yeah, no editing here. This is reality. This is the way it goes. All right, here we go. And, oh, sorry. Yep. I will get this. I will not give up until I sew this second line. Okay, here we go. I'm not giving up. I'm going for it. Why can't I grab it? Oh, there we go. We're through. Okay, I was missing the little thingy. Okay, now. Back in here, past the original point, and sew, a little slow at first, back it up, okay, and now sew faster. Okay, helping it just a little, not too much, just getting it going. and backing it up, and there we're off. Okay, not bad, not bad, people. We're rolling. Okay, and now, okay, we are going to cut there, but what we want to do, should we cut first? Probably. Let's cut first. All right. Can you see this? I hope so. Now, I have two different colors here, so I'm hoping that I'm cutting in between and not cutting this. Can you see? I hope that's in the frame. Cutting between the two rows of stitching. Now I have two little sacks. Okay, so this time I'm going to inside out it. Okay, I'm going to inside out it. But this time I'm going to do the zigzag on the outside because I think the zigzag is kind of cute. Yeah, I think it's kind of cute. So we're going to use that as part of the bag. There we go. A little floppy bag. Zigzag, 2, 3, 4. A little wider, longer, starting slow. And back up a bit and then go forward. Okay, letting the machine take the material, guiding the end here. Oh, getting kind of close to the edge there. Come on, but sadly, go back over there. All right, and back we go and off the edge. Okay, then we're just gonna do the same thing. Yep. Okay, so we're just gonna go across this. I'm not gonna cut that one off. I'm just gonna carry on here. Okay. All right, well, back up a little. Okay. All right, okay. It's coming. Oh, it's getting stuck. What's going on? Oh, we pulled it through. I don't know what happened. All right, there we go. And I think we're out. All right. Something happened. Yeah, something always happens. Okay, so I'm just going to cut these two apart. I have two. Can you see that? I hope so. There. Let's go back. Okay. Yes, we're rolling. All right. Look, who sewed that? Really? Really? Maybe we will have to turn this inside out because that's kind of embarrassing. I'm sure you'll do a much better job at sewing. Yeah. I mean, this, stretchy material, tension, there's like a whole world of like sewing things that need to happen there that didn't. So we'll just flip it back this way. Yeah. And we'll call our little sack this way. Yeah, that'll be cute, right? Okay, we've got some threads we have to deal with here. All right. So yeah, you could put like a pile of, maybe you're saying like, hey, do you want some peg stamps? Maybe you want peg stamps. And you want to give them, like you have like extra stamps or something, you want to give them to somebody else to play with. And so there you go. And you got your little lace. Okay, we got that. You could put maybe a more colorful one on here. This just happens to be the one I grabbed, but it could be like Christmas green and red or anything, and it's like no rules. So a little peg stamp thing. And that's so cute. So you're building your own little bundle. Look at that. That was so cute. All right. So we have this one. Now this looks like a really sad Christmas stocking, but that's the effect I was going for. I know. All right, so what are we going to put in here? Let's put something fun. All right, how about some of these? What is more fun than a pile of these? I don't know. I'm just using, at random, whatever you want to put in here, but maybe have a bunch of these, and you're like, okay, well, maybe they're going to want to play with those. So we're going to put some of those in there. In they go. There they go. Yep. And next thing you know, you have a little sack, a little Santa sack. And so with our sweater, which is no longer a sweater, nothing looking like a sweater at all, and we still have a whole sleeve left of possibilities. So you could make a million things. Okay, I guess you could also probably like maybe sack it down like that. That's kind of cute. That's different, right? Actually, let me try tying this a different way. Well, we go too far away. Come back closer. If you don't finish off the top with sewing, but you can fold it over and then tie it. What's that? We got to get rid of that. The messy seamstresses here. We have to be neat. There. Okay. Just tie that. There we go. Yeah. That's cute, right? That's very cute. What's that? Something with my gizmos sticking through. But there we go. That's just adorable. Look at that. Will you get back in there where you belong? Please work with me here. Okay, there we go. Adorable, huh? Yeah. Okay. So look at that. Like before you know it, you have completed an adorable bundle all yourself with very little supplies other than an old sweater or an old shirt or something like that. Plus, you have enough to do it all again. Yes. All right. So I want you to know that there are a lot of possibilities out there for you and that you can make tons of things with the basic things that you have at home, like junk mail, old shirts and sweaters. You know, just grab some paper and start folding it and have some fun. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know I love spending time with you guys, and thank you so much for hanging out with me and playing with the papers with me and just seeing the goofy things that we can make. And if you find value or you had fun here, please like, subscribe, and share this video and click the notification bell. Check out my Amazon store, my Etsy shop, and my free monthly email newsletter. All links are down below in the description box. And my videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays. They're audio, they're new material. They're free to listen to, and the link is down below. You can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Etsy, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And come and join our Facebook group. We're having so much fun doing weekly and monthly challenges and just all focused on creation. So answer those silly 4 questions at the beginning, and then you'll be in like Flynn and having fun. And remember that fun can be simple. And create with reckless abandon, everybody. This is so much fun. I want you to make stuff too and have fun because it's not hard. It really is easy, and it's made with stuff just around your house. So take care, everyone. I'll be talking to you soon. Happy day. Bye.